Hello viewers, I hope you've been following all our previous videos on trigonometry for class 11, in particular episode 310. If you haven't watched episode 310, click on the link above. This is episode 311. Complementary base angles. You may need to recall episode 306, Trigonometry Extended, episode 310, Equal base angles, and trigonometric identities from class 10. Furthermore, from class 10, trigonometry complementary angles, we will be making use of the following results. For an acute positive angle theta, we say that cosine is the cofunction of sine, and so is sine the cofunction of cosine. Cotangent is the cofunction of tangent, and so is tangent the cofunction of cotangent. And cosecant is the cofunction of secant and vice versa. Let's consider a random angle whose base angle is 90 degrees minus theta, say 270 degrees minus theta. Let's investigate the 6 trigonometric ratios for the angle 270 degrees minus theta. Since the base angle for 270 degrees minus theta is 90 degrees minus theta, we have the following results, which can be simplified in terms of cofunctions. As a do-it-yourself, if theta is acute and positive, simplify the following. Pause the video if you would like to try it yourself. Did you get all of them right? Just as in the previous episode, theta doesn't have to be acute or positive. The results hold good for any angles. As a do-it-yourself, simplify the following. Pause the video if you would like to try it yourself. Did you get all of them right? Now for something harder. Simplify the following. Pause the video if you would like to try it yourself. Did you get these as you work through? Or these as your final answers? Now for an open problem. If n and m are random natural numbers, simplify the following. Share with us your answers in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like. If you think it's worth a share, do share. If you wish to stay updated about new videos, do subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment if you want to share your thoughts about the video.